Welcome back to the podcast, brought to you by SDC. Granada is a city of contrast and character. Stand in the center and you'll feel a modern, walkable European city. Take a corner and all of a sudden you're inside a medieval grid of white walls, carved doors, and stone lanes that rise and fall like a song. Look up and the mountain watches over daily life. The cost of living is another welcome surprise compared to major U.S. metros and even comparable to Spanish hubs like Madrid or Barcelona. Day-to-day expenses tend to feel approachable. Step slightly beyond the historic core and housing options open up with neighborhoods that offer space, light, and local rhythm. Logistics are straightforward when you map them early. Granada is inland, so household goods typically reach a Spanish port first, then continue overland. Sea freight is the most practical option for a full home, while a small air shipment of essentials helps you settle in sooner. Customs require documentation that matches your visa status and an accurate inventory, which is far easier with professional guidance. Lifestyle is where Granada shines. It's famous for tapas, but what people remember is the way conversation lingers. Students and artists keep the city curious. Events are frequent, and everyday errands are walkable. You'll find your cafes, your market stall, and the city will feel smaller and more yours each week. You can start with our step-by-step guide to moving from the U.S. to Spain. For more information, visit our website or give us a call, 844-651-7050.